what's popping? Welcome to my vlog, and I'm not in Ayongon. I'm here in Tanhai with my cousins. So, guys, today is a different video because they're also doing their own vlog. So, yeah, we're going to a hill, which reminds us of being together, and we are still going. We're still going to go. I'm just kidding. So we're heading to the hill to visit the mountain. So while while we're doing it, while we're heading to the mountain, let's just do it in time lapse.
A few meters later.
So guys, we're not yet to the top, but it's quite an interesting view, and I'm quite tired right now because due to steep slopes. So let's go to the top. So yeah, we're already here. I'm sitting here in the ground because I'm kind of a bit tired. I even got the injury here. So anyways, we're here already in the mountain, and it's quite a beautiful view. But over there, it's kind of a bit foggy. That means it's more humid down there. So as you can see, there's some sugar canes, a lot of sugar canes, some trees, and some small amounts of houses. And then there's them, my first cousin, my second cousin, and my aunt. Yeah, she's taking a picture while standing on that rock. But if I were you, please do not try this at home. I regret that. So yeah. Anyway, that is all for now. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also share this to your friends. And today is also a very special day. It's my grandparents' anniversary. So yeah, happy anniversary to my Lola. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. Share this to your friends. And yeah, that's all. So stay safe, guys. AJ out for the trees.